a lot better than him.
Yeah, you weren't
Pretty bad, mate. It was good, though. It was good.
But right now, we are going to be giving Andy and Brooklyn our big wind-up selfie stick.
Now, you must both get ridiculous selfies with as many members of our studio audience as you can in 2 minutes. However, once a selfie has been snapped with the lucky member of the audience, they can ask you whatever question they want. Absolutely. Nothing is off limits.
Yeah, and you lads obviously will get involved on that bit. There's your button there at the bottom.
Yeah,
There it is.
go,
Beautiful. Go on, test it's working.
take one anyway.
All right, first selfie is snap a selfie with a kid pretending to drive a car. Go! Hold on, what's your question?
What's your favourite subject in school?
Good question.
PE! Music! There we go. Right, next one, snap a selfie with a dancing mom.
This one here.
Who has the smelliest trumps?
Where's the
Stitched you up good and proper. Take a selfie with a kid making a heart shape with their hands. What's your question?
What's your favourite colour?
Green, yellow, blue, all the colours. Okay, take a selfie with somebody's sock. Somebody's sock. You can't ask yourself a question. All right, you snap a selfie with one of you wearing Dad's glasses. Fantastic. Okay, let's have a look at all your selfies, shall we?
Yeah, very good that.
Got some crackers there, guys. That one, he's taking a selfie with you wearing Dad's glasses.
Yeah, good.
Take a selfie with somebody's sock. Fair enough. You're kind of cheating, but I like that. It looks like you've got sack face.
Like Father Christmas.
All right, take a selfie with a kid making heart shape.
Yeah, there she is doing the heart shape.
Hey,
We've got loads of people.
The next one is snap a selfie with a dancing mom.
Oh, there she is. He got himself in there. Lovely
Next
stuff.
one, snap a selfie with a kid pretending to drive a car.
Yeah, that was that one. Yeah, that was that one.
So, lads, some fantastic selfies there. However, you've got the very difficult task of picking one selfie subject to win the highly sought after wind-up mug. Who are you going to go for?
I think we should pick the love hearts because loads of people got involved.
We haven't got enough mugs.
It was this girl here. She was an awesome love heart.
Okay, you won a mug.
And got a massive round of applause for the fantastic road trip.